In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple images side by side in MailerLite, using both the gallery block and the columns block, so you can create polished, professional email layouts that really engage your subscribers. MailerLite is a fantastic email marketing platform because it balances powerful design features with a clean, beginner-friendly interface, and knowing how to arrange images properly makes your newsletters look clean, modern, and easy to read. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. We're going to cover two different approaches, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. The first method, which I personally recommend for most situations, is using the gallery block. This is by far the simplest way to display multiple images side by side in a neat, evenly spaced grid, without having to fuss with individual column settings or alignment tweaks. It's perfect for showcasing a product lineup, a portfolio preview, or even a simple collection of photos from a recent event. To get started, open up your campaign inside the MailerLite drag-and-drop editor. If you haven't created a campaign yet, just start a new email and choose a blank layout or one of their templates. It doesn't matter which, because the process is the same. Once you're in the editor, look to the right-hand side of your screen for the Blocks panel. That's your toolbox of content elements. Scroll through the available blocks until you find the one labeled Gallery. It usually has a small icon that looks like a grid of squares. Click and hold that gallery block, then drag it directly into your email layout at the spot where you want your images to appear. Release it, and you'll see a placeholder block appear. Now, click on that newly placed gallery block to select it. When you do, the settings panel on the right side will change to show options specifically for the gallery. You'll see a button that says Add Images. Click that, and MailerLite will open your file manager. This is where all the images you've uploaded live. If you haven't uploaded your photos yet, you can do so right from this window. Browse your computer, select the images you want, and upload them. Once they're in the file manager, simply click on each one to add it to your gallery. You can select multiple images at once by holding down the Control or Command key as you click. After your images are added, you'll notice the gallery adjusts automatically, but you have control over how they appear. Look for the column setting in the side panel. This lets you decide how many images show up in each row. You can choose 2, 3, or 4 columns, depending on the size of your images and the overall look you're going for. 2 columns gives larger, more impactful images, while 3 or 4 columns create a tighter, more detailed grid. Play around with this setting to see what feels best for your design. You can also adjust spacing between the images, add padding around the entire gallery, and even link each image to a different URL if you want, like linking to product pages or blog posts. Just highlight an image in the gallery and you'll see a link field appear. This level of control makes the gallery block incredibly versatile, and because it handles all the alignment behind the scenes, you avoid the common beginner mistake of images overlapping or looking misaligned in different email clients. Now, let's move on to option 2, which is using the columns block. This method gives you even more flexibility because it allows you to place images right next to text, buttons, or other content types side by side. It's ideal when you want an image on the left and a description on the right, or when you want to create a more custom magazine-style layout. To use this approach, go back to the Blocks panel and drag a columns block into your email. Once it's in place, you'll be prompted to choose your column layout. You can pick from options like 2 equal columns, a wider left column with a narrower right column, or vice versa. For most image and text pairings, 2 equal columns work perfectly. After you select your layout, each column becomes its own independent container. Now, inside the left column, drag an image block from the Blocks panel. Then, inside the right column, drag another image block, or you could drag a text block if you want to pair an image with copy. The beauty here is that you can mix and match. Click on each image block individually to open its settings. From there, select your image from the file manager just like before and hit Insert. You can then resize the image, add alt text for accessibility, and even link it. One pro tip here: when using columns, pay attention to the padding settings inside each column. If your images feel too cramped or too spread out, adjust the padding on the left and right of each column block to give them breathing room. A common pitfall is forgetting that the column itself has default padding, so images might not align perfectly with the rest of your content. Just check those settings and you'll be fine. Whichever method you choose, gallery block for quick, clean grids, or columns block for custom layouts with mixed content, you now have 2 powerful tools in your MailerLite toolbox. By mastering both, you'll be able to design emails that look like they were coded by a professional, even if you've never written a line of HTML. That's the real value here. Your subscribers will see a polished, engaging email, and that builds trust over time. As a next step, I'd suggest experimenting with combining both techniques in a single campaign. Use a gallery block for a product showcase, then a columns block underneath to pair a customer testimonial with a photo. And if you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or drop a bookmark. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.